First alert forecast. So you see this mix of some clouds, some fog this morning, a chill, at least more of a normal chill, temperatures in the low to mid 30s to kick off the day. But we have a cold day ahead. In fact, it's going to feel even colder by the afternoon. Temperatures will dip a little, but winds go up. So it's going to have more of a dramatic impact with wind chills for your afternoon. I know a lot of kids are getting out of school midday, which is actually where we're going to hit our high and then come down. So keep that in mind as you're dressing for your day, getting out the door with a colder wind chill factor today. So in terms of those wind gusts, I wanted to highlight where those winds do pick up midday, and that's why we're cut off on our heating there and temperatures come down. So then it's going to dip a little and feel colder as these gusts stir around at times 20-25 miles per hour throughout the midday, afternoon, and early evening hours. So wind chills definitely a factor starting at that point. Notice these clouds just kind of roll in late morning, becoming mostly cloudy. By noon, we'll have a couple of flurries flying on the plateau and at the Tennessee-Kentucky line. A couple of light snow showers then by 1 o'clock. Notice then some spotty drizzle to a couple of wintry mixed showers in the valley. Overall, it is a spotty coverage still, but in the mountains, it will start snowing and it'll keep snowing. Everywhere else, it'll kind of dance around. Even some flurries flying in the valley this evening. A couple of light to moderate snow showers on the plateau to the Tennessee-Kentucky line. Again, mountains still snowing. Outside of that, we're stirring it around with these clouds, these cold winds, and a couple of flurries flying on through the night at times in the valley. So that's why it does add up to some light to moderate snow showers on the plateau to the Tennessee-Kentucky line. Again, some spots getting up to around a half an inch. Since it's spotty, not uniform there at all, and then gets closer to an inch as you climb up in the mountains of southeastern Kentucky, and of course several inches as you climb up into the mountains of the Smokies. So we're all getting the impacts from the wind chills for sure. 36 to start, 42 at noon, dip to 40 this afternoon, dip to 34 at 7. But it's going to feel colder. All right, so midday it's going to start to feel several degrees colder, and those winds are just jumping. So then it's going to feel like we actually just fall to around freezing in the valley. Yeah, first alert feels like forecast where you live. It'll feel like 32 this afternoon in Knoxville, 30 Townsend, feel like 28 Rocky Top, and 20 in Clark Range. I can feel like 19 in Jamestown. It can feel like 23 in Pineville. This is what you want to dress for. Wind chill even 29 in Morristown and Gatlinburg for your Friday afternoon. Now those clouds will be left over tomorrow, but at least the winds will back off. Last couple of snow showers in the mountains, and then the clouds will very slowly clear. So mostly cloudy in the afternoon, becoming more partly cloudy by the evening. So your Saturday planner looks more like clouds to mostly cloudy views. Again, some stray flurries could fly early. Winds are still up, 15-mile-per-hour gusts, so that's enough to make it feel a little colder. Slow clearing, I think, will really slow down that heating. So it'll only be around 38 here in Knoxville, but a lot of you may be getting on the road even. You could still hit the road on Saturday in your iMall forecast for that 8 p.m. game at Ohio State. It'll already be 24 there at 8 p.m. and dropping to 21. So definitely a cold night for the Vols. Vol fans, make sure you're taking all those warm layers. Those low 20s are headed our way by Sunday morning. So I would say your tailgating forecast is actually by the fireplace Saturday evening at 33 at 8 o'clock here at home, dipping to 30, again falling to low 20s by Sunday morning. Hard freeze and frost going into your mornings to start next week. As we go into next week, though, notice gradual warming in the afternoons with a few showers at times. Right now, looking more so Wednesday night and late Friday as well.